Okay, I have a Sargent 6-pin challenge lock. I'm sending one of these to Spain, to Adrian. The lock does work. Got just a little bit of hang in it because of the pins. Okay, we are locked up. Let's put it in the vise and open it up and look at the pins. Okay, let's use top of the keyway, and we'll use this pick. Oh, this is the bitting on the key. Let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, there we got a little bit of a false set out of pin 6, a little bit on pin 5. There's pin 3. Getting some little feedback off pin 1. Pin 1's not quite ready yet, I don't think. Let's go to the back. Okay, there's pin 1. Guess it was ready, I just didn't put enough pressure on it. Okay, getting some feedback on pin 5. Got pin 5 set. Still getting a little feedback off pin 1. Okay, there we got pin 1 set, I believe. Let's go to the back of the lock again. Okay, pin 2 giving us some feedback. Got a little bit out of pin 2 then. Some on pin 3. Okay, there's some more on pin 6. Okay, there's pin 6 again. Okay, I believe pin 6 is set, and there it is, open on pin 3. Okay, let's look at the pins on this lock. Back it up a little bit. I'm going to be sending one of these Sargent locks to Adrian in Spain. Alright, let's check our bottom pins first. Oops, I dropped a pin out of the number 1. Okay, number 1 pin, serrated, 2 is serrated, 3 is serrated, 4 is serrated, 5 is serrated, 6 is serrated, okay, let's take a closer look at the pins, at the plug. Okay, the plug is threaded in every chamber. Pin 2, 3, 4, and 5 are slightly counter milled and enlarged at the top. Okay, let's check our top pins now. Back it up here. Okay, pin 1 is a type of spool. Pin 2 is a that's a wafer. Oh, there's a serrated T-pin that was on number 2 with a wafer on top. Number 3 is another looks like a trampoline pin, similar. See if I can dump that pin out. Okay, we misplaced a pin somewhere. I don't think the pin is, yeah, it's stuck in pin number 4. We got pin 4 set, but the pin stuck in the Bible. So let's see if we can take this top off. Okay, there's the top off. Now let's see if we can get pin 4 out. Okay, there's pin 4 out. There was a T pin. So pin 4 goes here, and these others slide over. Okay, that's what we have in this lock. This is threaded all the way down, all the way through. You can see the threads in the Bible, solid all the way. Let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, pin 1, 2, and 3. Serrated key pins on the bottom. There's a type of spool This is a serrated T-pin with a wafer on top. This is another similar to a trampoline pin or to a partial spool serrated. The next three is another T-pin serrated on the bottom. All the key pins are serrated. This is another partial spool with a serration on the bottom, and here's another partial spool and still serrated key pin. Okay, that's what we have in this challenge lock I'm sending out. Appreciate your time. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble, and thank you again.